Why you babysitting?
No, don't. What you doing? You wasting shit.
Nah, he couldn't drink.
No, he's not.
Uncle CJ, you drinking? Huh?
Nah, he done, son. I seen him this way. He done. He done. You could. I started already.
This. More towards the side. You got it?
Yeah, nigga. Don't push you out. No, the other way. The other way.
Damn it, stop.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah. Tell us.
What the fuck?
What happened? You fell over. How'd you fall over like that, man? That shit is crazy, son.
Shit.
Yo, B, you gotta get back up, man. The only way to recover from a fall is getting back up, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, man, get that shit back up, B.